According to the road traffic regulations, a person who drives a motor vehicle or trailer shall ensure that the motor vehicle or trailer has in a readily accessible position, at least, one fire extinguisher, that is of a multi-purpose dry chemical powder type, or a halogenated hydrocarbon type, and in good working order. The following requirements apply, as regards to the kind of fire extinguisher required in a motor vehicle. A saloon vehicle and a sports utility vehicle with an engine capacity of between 800 cm3 and 4500 cc shall carry a 1 kg fire extinguisher. A motor vehicle with an engine capacity between 4500 cc and 6000 cc shall carry a 3 kg fire extinguisher. A motor vehicle with an engine capacity of above 6000 cc shall carry a 6 kg fire extinguisher. A person who drives a motor vehicle or trailer on the road shall ensure that the motor vehicle or trailer carries, in a readily accessible position, a first aid kit that contains Class C medication including analgesic, bandage, cotton balls, plaster, gauze pads, hand gloves, mentholated spirits, scissors, liniments, gentian violet, and antiseptic wipes. A person who contravenes this regulation commits an offense, and is liable on summary conviction to a fine, or to a term of imprisonment, or to both.